Okay, recording through USB mic. So I finished winding my coils and I'm not real happy with them. Mostly because some of them seem thicker. I don't know why it would be thicker. I think because when I opened them, they pulled apart. They weren't, I don't know, glued in right. I think I used day old glue or something. Anyway, I believe what I have is the short wire is the center wire, and the long wire, it will be the outer wire. And I'm going to glue them in here first, and then wire it all together. I think that will be okay. I think that's the best bad idea. Okay, so that's all we're going to do, and I'm going to use this Gorilla Glue. I like this, but I don't think it worked good on winding. Actually used it at the last couple of coils, but I don't think it worked very good on that. I think the little super glue works a lot better, but I like this for gluing it into. And I'm going to glue them and put the, let's see if we can do this way. Oh, there, that worked. Yeah, I like the way that worked. Okay, so I'll put a little glue around it. Let's do it like this. Let's make a fat mess. Oh, that just slides right in there. Better than KY jelly. It's going to be a big glob on there, but that's pretty much the way every winding I've done. I don't know if it was so hard to wind these things because they were tiny, or actually probably because I was so impatient with winding. This one is just smaller than the others. I know what I did when I wound these other ones was I actually measured out the length and made all the lengths the same, and these I just wound like a monkey with a stick, I guess. And so they didn't wind as good. I don't know, there's a plasma channel, a guy that does all these videos with high voltage, and he winds all these coils for his high voltage. And I may try to see if I can contact him, see if he'll talk to me about his winding technique. It may just come down to patience, more patience than I have. Or he may have a secret method that he's willing to share. At least some kind of insider wisdom. Okay, is that one glued? That one's glued. Okay, so we made it all the way around. Let me add a little bit of glue here. You don't want these things popping out. The very first coils I wound on a piece of wood, I mean, my motor was wooden. I used Gorilla Glue that expanded. It was really bizarre. I'm pretty sure it says on this that it doesn't expand. I don't know where. But that was pretty bizarre, that stuff expanding like it did. Okay, everybody's glued. And I'm going to put another piece of wrap over it, and then I'm going to place something heavy on it that will hopefully hold it flat. All right, we'll give that another day, and then the next video will be on actually wiring them up. And what have I got? I've got a pencil here, and I had a piece of paper somewhere. Here it is. Because the coils, they end up being wound. Here's the inner, and it goes to the outer, and then we come down and we connect the inner wire to the outer, and we connect the inner to the outer, and we connect all the way around back here, and this becomes our U, V, W, and hopefully I'm saying all that right. Oh, on here they don't label them that. They label them A, B, and C. So anyway, potato, potato. You see the way it's wound to inner to outer, and I'm pretty sure we'll have to actually have a video on that. So that's all for today.